Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back. I got the glitch figured out on the damn site. So, let me catch you guys, bring you guys up to speed. So, trying to build a funnel for a buddy of mine, but the bandwidth was given out on me, so I had to kill the live video. So now I'm just recording the video offline to show you guys the rest of the build. So here is the funnel that I'm copying. So basically, he built this on his own platform, and it takes forever to load. So you can't even use the page. So I mean, it looks good. He spent a lot of time on it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna recreate it in ClickFunnels, and basically, so you can have a functional funnel that doesn't lag. Um, so here we go. I'm just gonna run through the funnel real quick just to show you guys all the different sections. So there's sections, rows, and elements in ClickFunnels. Okay, so section would be the overall section for each bit of information, right? So this section, I just have the header image. This section, I have this information, this headline, video, text, button, and then I make a new section for this information, because I kind of break down the sections like he does here. You know, you have your header, then this is a bit of information, and this is a little bit more information, this is a little bit more information. So I'm breaking it down in sections that way. And then what makes the sections function is columns. So this would be one column because, you know, it's just one line of information, but this is two columns because you see how you have a video on the left and then text on the right. So depending on how you need to, you know, add things to your page or how you need it to look, you would add rows or sections, and then you can decide how many columns you need based on how you want to display the information. Okay, so right now we're building this section here with the videos. So you can see he has a large call to action, he has a paragraph and a subheadline. Alright, so we have large call to action here. We'll do a paragraph. We'll add a subheadline. Alright, and then he has 6 videos. So let's add some videos in here. And I'm just going to give it a 10 pixel margin just to break the videos up a little bit. I'm going to even these up. Alright. Alright, I'm going to get rid of that padding so we bring it up to the headline. Alright, so here's the first one. Alright, I'll go to settings. Alright, I'm going to turn that font up a little bit. Select a different font. Alright, and then we're going to go to settings of the row so we can make the background color. So, and then you can control the transparency here. So I'm doing a 0.6 transparency. Alright, and then here we have this paragraph. Alright, and then let's boost that a little bit. Alright. Alright, and then let's do this one here. Alright, and then here we're going to go ahead and do the background. Alright, and I don't have his videos because they're privately hosted, and the links that he gave me, it says I don't have permission to view them, so I'll have to actually add the videos later. It'll have dummy videos for now, but that'll be easy to add later. And then what else I'm going to add in is I'm going to add one row column here, and then I'm going to add a button to it. Alright. Get rid of that padding. Background color. And color up. Alright, and then I'm going to click this button. And then I'm just going to copy what I used on the rest of the buttons. Alright. Alright, and we'll make it a little bit bigger. Okay, go to Advanced. Select the video icon. Okay, and then we'll make it glow. I'm controlling the padding for the video so I can move it closer or further away from the button. There we go. Alright, so that section's done. So now we're going to add another section for this one here, huge variety and easy customization. So you just come down here to the green, add a new section, full width. Alright, and then we're going to add a new row. One column. Let me see, is one column going to work? One column. Yeah, one column's going to work. Alright, so now let's see what he has. He has headline, paragraph, subheadline, bullet list, and 2 more subheadlines. Alright, so that's easy. So we'll just go in here, add element, headline, add element, paragraph. What else did he have? Subheadline. Bulleted list. There it goes. Alright, and 2 more subheadlines. Alright, and then he has his button. Alright, cool. So now let's copy and paste. Alright. Alright, and let's do the settings for this row so we can make this color. Alright, and then I'm going to go to the settings of this section, get rid of the padding so it blends. Alright, so this section must have some padding. Yep. Alright, so you see how we blended it together? So huge variety and easy customization. Let's make that a little bit bigger. Change the font. Alright, exclamation point. Alright. Alright. Alright, and then he just has Stonecraft Media, all rights reserved. Put that down here. Alright, so there we go. And that is done. So now let's see what happens when you do click this. So it looks like we get a pop-up. Tell us where to send your 50% off discount coupon. So I'm going to go ahead and make the pop-up. So on ClickFunnels, it's super easy to do. So on your buttons, you have to set the action. So we're going to set action to open the pop-up. Okay? You're going to do that on every button. Alright. Now you click the pop-up here. Edit settings. Alright. So here's your settings. And so we can do background color, blue. Okay. Text color, we can go black. Alright. And so now we're going to go ahead and edit the pop-up. And you edit it the same way. You get your rows with your elements, okay? So we have a 2-column row here. So what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of this 2-column row. Okay? And then we're just going to dump an element in here with these. So what you do is add element, and it's going to be input. Alright. One, two, three, four. Alright. So tell us where to. Alright, and then we just have first name, last name. So easy here. Here we'll go last name. Phone number and email. And then send me a 50% off discount coupon code. Alright, and then black, text color white, and on border, so 2-pixel border. Corners. And icon. Alright, and then set action, make sure you submit order, submit form. Alright, so let's close the pop-up, we'll save that. So now, how are we going to make that form work? How do we know where that information is going? So, what we did was I integrated his MailChimp. So you can see, you just go to Settings, Integrations, and if you don't already have it, you can go to, I'll show you here after I do this. Just go to Settings, Integrations, I'll set his. We're going to add to list. Stonecraft Media subscribers, don't send confirmation email. Okay, so if you need to do your integrations, you just go to Account, Integrations, and you can add a new integration. If it's MailChimp, you'll just need an API key, which you can get from your MailChimp account. Alright, so let's go back into here, edit this page. So now that the page is done and we have it functional with MailChimp, I'm going to do the SEO data. So this is like if people are searching and they find you organically, this is what they're going to find. And actually, I'm going to see what SEO he already has. He's not even on Google. Is it Stonecraft Media? Yeah, so he doesn't even have any SEO stuff. So I'll just make it up. There we go. Keywords, video, editing, animation, sell, marketing, digital, animator, business. And these are just keywords. Alright. Alright, and then set a logo. Alright, cool. So that's how it'll look if somebody finds it on search media. Alright, and the last thing I gotta do is actually map this thing to a domain. So first I'm gonna edit the page here. I'm not gonna name it lead magnet. I'm gonna name it Stonecraft Media. Alright, and then we're gonna go to publishing, and I can set it to the domain that I already edited. So let's go to settings here. You can see the domain, promo.stonecraftmedia.com. Save and update settings. Let's see what else. I'm going to go to publishing here, and then the path this is the path that people are going to see, so I'm just going to change it to video animation sale. And I'll show you guys where that happens. So you see here at the end, video animation cell. That's where the path is. So that's what you're creating. So check it out. promo.stonecraftmedia.com/Stonecraft video cell. Well, and then I'll just have to get those videos from him. We'll dump them in there, and those will work. Let's see if the pop-up works. Boom, and there's our pop-up. Cool. Alright, so that's if this video has been helpful, if you learned some cool stuff about ClickFunnels, or if I was just entertaining, comment below and let me know if this is something that you could use for your business, or maybe you have ClickFunnels, you're trying to figure it out, let me know, and maybe we could do a one-on-one session and I can teach you how to do it. This is Big Marv. Thank you guys for watching. One love.